Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials. I am Rania, and today, we explore the benefits of vendor comparison white papers during the inbound. We'll take a closer look at why these white papers are crucial in the decision-making process and how they align with the inbound methodology's principles. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. So, let's dive right in. Before we discuss vendor comparison white papers, let's briefly review the inbound methodology. It is a customer-centric approach to marketing and sales that focuses on attracting, engaging, and delighting potential customers through valuable content and experiences. The inbound methodology comprises 4 stages: attract, convert, close, and delight. Now let's talk about vendor comparison white papers. In the convert stage of the inbound methodology, potential customers have already engaged with your content and have shown interest in your products or services. This is the perfect time to provide them with valuable information that helps them make informed decisions. Vendor comparison white papers play a significant role here. A vendor comparison white paper is a comprehensive document that compares different vendors or solutions within a specific industry or product category. These white papers provide objective insights, analysis, and data to help potential customers evaluate and choose the best solution for their needs. So, what are the benefits of using vendor comparison white papers during the inbound methodology? Let's explore a few key advantages. Informative decision-making. Vendor comparison white papers empower potential customers with accurate, detailed, and unbiased information. They highlight the strengths and weaknesses of various vendors, allowing prospects to make well-informed decisions based on their specific requirements. Time and effort savings. Comparing multiple vendors can be time-consuming and overwhelming for potential customers. Vendor comparison white papers condense the relevant information into a single resource, saving prospects valuable time and effort in their decision-making process. Objective analysis. Vendor comparison white papers are typically conducted by independent third-party experts or reputable research firms. This impartiality ensures that the analysis is unbiased and reliable, giving potential customers confidence in the information presented. Improve trust and credibility. By providing vendor comparison white papers, companies demonstrate transparency and a commitment to helping their prospects make the best choices. This builds trust and credibility, setting a strong foundation for a long-term relationship with potential customers. Alignment with inbound principles. Vendor comparison white papers align perfectly with the inbound methodology's core principles of providing value and being customer-centric. By offering valuable insights and aiding the decision-making process, these white papers help companies establish themselves as trusted advisors and thought leaders. Integrating vendor comparison white papers into your inbound methodology strategy can make a significant impact on your sales and marketing efforts. By attracting prospects with engaging content, converting them into leads, and helping them make informed decisions, you can accelerate your path to success. That wraps up our discussion on the benefits of vendor comparison white papers during the inbound methodology. We hope this information has been valuable to you. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. I am Rania with Optimarked Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.